scissors go? Oh, here they are. Okay, got some scissors. Hello! Hi, welcome to my video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a wonderful, warm, fabulous holidays. New Year's is coming up, so I hope you have a wonderful and safe New Year's. For today's video, we are going to be doing another unboxing. I have a handbag here. I have been waiting. I'm super excited. I just lately have not been into Louis Vuitton for some reason. I love Louis Vuitton. I love my handbags, but I just am not into spending like $2,000 on a handbag. It was sort of random. It popped up on like an ad at like the top of the webpage and it like grabbed my attention. It's something about this bag. I can't wait to see it. Today's handbag will be an unboxing of my very first Michael Kors bag. If this is your first time here, welcome to my video. My name is Diane. I like to talk about handbags and things related to bags and reviews and stuff like that. So if you're interested, I would love to have you join the family. You notice something a little bit different today compared to my other videos. I got a new camera lens. I'm trying to make it better for you guys, and so I apologize if I have some camera issues. So let's start with the unboxing. Where did the scissors go? Oh, here they are. Okay, got some scissors. While I'm opening up this box, when I was looking on the Michael Kors website, there are so many good bags right now that look so stylish. I gotta tell you, and there's a sale going on right now. I was super impressed. Like, they had all these like really cute handbags. I couldn't decide which bag I wanted, to be honest, but when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I really like this one. So I ordered one bag, although I really wanted to put like four or five of them in my cart. So yeah, they're having a sale right now. I think it's still going on if you're interested. And if you like this current bag that I got, this bag is still on sale as well. All right, so I just opened it up and it comes like this in a box. There's some stuffing. Ooh, this bag looks like it's a really good size. So let's see here. Let me take off all of the wrapping first, and then I will show you the handbag. It's like the handles and everything are all wrapped up. So I'm actually like, I've been really wanting to go to the mall to go shopping because like the after holiday sale. Yesterday when I went to Nordstrom's Rack, like the entire store was empty because like all of the clearance was like an additional 60% off. So I got these like super cute like Cole Haan shoes. Like they're like flats. And I was so excited because I'm not kidding you, the price was $6 for these flats. And so I like snagged them up, I paid for them, and I'm so bummed out because when I got home, well, first of all, when I was like in the store, I was like wearing like my boots and like my like winter outfit, and I was being a little lazy, and I didn't want, sorry, I'm still trying to get the stuff off this bag. I'll show you once all the stuff is off. But so anyways, going back to my story of shopping last night. So I was being lazy, so I only tried on the right side, and it fit, and it was like really comfortable, so I just like paid and came home. And of course, when I came home, I tried, and it was final sale. And so when I came home, I was like, why does the left foot feel so much tighter? The left shoe was size 7, and the right shoe was size 8.5. And so now I have this pair of shoes that I really like, but I can only wear one. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. But so that's what happened yesterday. Okay, I'm just gonna take out all the stuffing, and then I promise I will show you this bag. I'm almost done with the packaging. I'm sorry. Normally Louis Vuitton and other bags that I get in the mail don't have all of this like packaging. So this was a little unexpected. I was a little unprepared, but I'm almost done. Okay, so this is the crossbody strap. Let me take off all of this like packaging. Oh my gosh, this bag is like fully wrapped. So this bag is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I had imagined, and the size is so good. So let me just show you. So this is the Michael Kors Manhattan medium contrast trim satchel is the official name. It's really long. So what it is, let me see if I can come closer to show you. All right, so it's a leather bag. It's white, and all of the hardware, as you can see, like here on the corners, it's like this really cool iridescent color. It says Michael Kors, like super tiny right there on the lock. And then there are like these studs along the side, and the studs are also iridescent. And then the trim along the edges It's like neon colors. So like this one's like neon orange along the handles. It's pink along the straps, and then it's like yellow along this part. So it's like a very trendy bag, but it's like a really good size, and it's exactly what I want. I wanted like a good winter slash summer bag that has a top handle, but it also has a adjustable crossbody strap, and even the hardware here, hopefully it'll focus for you, but it's still like an iridescent like metal hardware. And then if you can see, the strap has like orange contrast on the side, and it's adjustable. I'll do mod shots at the end. So this bag, it is currently on sale on the Michael Kors website if you're interested. I got this for $200. The official like retail price was like $678. I don't know if this bag actually, like, who actually spends that much on Michael Kors. Not to be judgmental, but that's a lot of money to spend on Michael Kors. But I got this one. It was on sale. It's currently still on sale if you're interested. This one is in the white with the neon and the iridescent hardware. There's also a black one. And then if you don't like the loudness of the neon color and the iridescent hardware, there's this like really, really pretty rose pink leather that's more toned down, and there's like a blush pink. And then I think there's also one that just has like the Michael Kors logo on it. But I think this is just super, super trendy. I'm so excited about this. Oh, you know what? We haven't even looked inside. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about the outside before I go into the inside. So this bag is 10 inches in width. It is 7¼ inch in height. And then the depth of it is 4 inches. So it's a really, like, for me, it's a perfect crossbody, or even without the straps. I think this would still be small enough where I could still use it just as like a top handle bag, but it's a good size where I feel like I could fit stuff. So let me show you the outside. So here's the outside. There's this top handle here. There's this iridescent hardware there. How you open it up is you kind of lift it up and it slides out, and then it opens up like that and it goes inside. Here's what the sides look like. You can see those studs. All the studs are like that iridescent color, which is really cool. And then you can see there are like these corner reinforcements here that are also really cool iridescent color. And then here's what the bottom looks like. There aren't any feet outside of these, I guess these corner things count as feet. And then the back is just plain. So there is not any pockets or anything here in the back. It's just plain. And then when you open it up on the inside, this is such a good size. All right, so when you open it up on the inside, there's a zippered pocket back right there. And then on the inside, it's just, on the front pocket, on the front part, there's also a flat pocket right there. And then otherwise, it's just like this tan Michael Kors interior. And then on the front of the bag, there is also a like pocket here. I know it's a little dated, but this is the iPhone 8 Plus. And let's see, it fits, oh my God, I am so excited because I have a bigger phone. It fits perfectly in there. That is, this bag is perfect. I am so, so, so excited about this bag. So last part of the video, I just wanted to show you mod shots with my new bag. Tell you about this bag. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in this bag, like I said, it's still on sale right now. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and a great New Year's, and I'll see you next time. Bye.